Hey, we're back out in the garden. It's been a couple of days. You can see I've got no jacket on and short sleeves rolled up. The way weather works here in North Alabama. And we got a lot of good rain overnight. The soil's real loose and easy to work with. So what we're going to try to do is get this first bed maybe organized. I gotta get this whole section here cleared out, and I figured it'd be easy to do while everything's wet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is move this block, and you can see how easy that is to dig up. And that's what I was looking for. It's easier with a spot like this. Let's get this set. I'll set that right down in here. And I may still move some of this. We get a lot of soil. You can fill in. I'm going to bring the heights up a good bit. There's old Pooh Bear. She's out here helping. Or she thinks she's helping. She's always inspecting, seeing what's going on. It's heavy from all this rain. Let me actually set that right here. Pull that weed out. Let's see what we can do with this board. This board was going to sit kind of in the middle. Looks like that strawberry. So what I may do is just use the pickaxe. This is just that one. Very nice strawberry plants. And then we can take, kind of see a line here. I have some plastic here I gotta get up. Just gonna make a line where the board is gonna go in and down. Plastic in here. Wow. Yeah, I didn't know that was like that. May take a little more effort on my end than what I had originally planned. So, the way this is going to work is exactly like this. A little more work. Okay. This isn't quite leveled out. Strawberry. Now these weeds. another strawberry. This snug fit here. Quite a few doesn't like it. I don't know what's going on with it. Towards the end. But what matters is that this is nice and snug. See how that's so level? I want this level. Let's be level. Everything. Alright, so I got that leveled out. And what it was that part up there was wider and it was making everything flared. So now I've got that like I want. And some soil, some of these grow bags, and fill in. These are what I grew the potatoes in. Good soil. Mixture of peat moss and compost. And I may not need all of this. What kind of want to do is fill in up to that spot. So this will settle some. And that's okay too. And I've got all the plastic removed, at least up to that big thing there. But now really what I want to do is move this out for a minute. Move this little guy out for a minute. This big cluster is going to shovel itself. That's it. I'm trying to get it with the soil lower than that because I'm going to put some newspaper around it next year. So I'm trying to scrape some of the soil off in a way. Get it higher up than what it was before. And hopefully that will help with better production out of it. It's even higher, nothing rots. That's the plan. This one's full of weeds. We can get most of those weeds away and out. A lot of these little winter weeds, they don't matter so much. And, no, I think I'll leave that one here for now. Leave that one to the side. And what we'll do, move this out of the way. Kind of messed that up a little bit. Where our next section is going to go, I'll be a little bit farther up, and missing one of the blocks. Okay, we'll work on this section here. The whole cluster's removed as one, which is fine. Look at that. Put all the strawberries in one cluster. Might be ideal to split them up. And I could come back and split some of these up. We'll use the shovel. Get these remaining up. Now we'll just set them over here now. Go back around. Take woodwork. You got these other strawberries. Just put them there. So I can dig out any kind of a line here. I'll pull the soil into the bed itself. No point wasting soil. Wasting good soil. Back and take some work in that area. So what we're concerned with is just getting this initial first half done. As long as that's done, that's good enough for now. I've got blackberry. Come up here and they will just stay in the bed for now. I don't have anywhere for them to go. Alright. Still got to get this board in place. You can see it's all up on top of that. I've got to dig. Get these strawberries out. It's nice to be able to dig. They have good strong roots, but it's nice the soil was that loose, that aerated. It's always a good sign. Very good and rich. It's working things that much easier. Some of these are outside our project area. Pull the soil up in here like that. keep this forest situated down. It'll take a little bit of work. Down tight with what I want. There's a lot of soil here. More level. Not wanting to quash anything here. Eyeball it a bit. Always good to sit back and eyeball it just to make sure it's at least close to what you want. That looks pretty good. So we're going to take the rest of this and just dump it. Versus having the shovel. That looks good. We'll come back in between this with some pavers. I don't have one handy, but we'll have a series of pavers. And some of this we put in the compost pile, or somebody maybe put up in the bed itself. But there's so many weeds, you really don't want to put extra soil that's around back in beds and the weeds. Worse because next year they were already pretty bad this go around. So, alright, well, it's good. We will get this big thing of strawberries planted here, and we may have to split this guy. Likely we'll have to split this, which will be okay. Some of these all interwrapped. So we can split off. So we're gonna make 2 runners. Too much soil over here. Again, we want to set these right toward they're sort of the top of the pile here on the soil line. Fill in these extra spaces in the woods. Some of these that are outliers, I just want to dug in like that. I'll take next batch. I'll situate him maybe like this. Got a lot of extra strawberries. I love the space out here. We may have to wait a little bit. But I got 2 of these half rows done. Move in and see so you can see. So we for certain will have 2 long rows going all the way back, and I'll pile all these extra that I've dug out in the corner right there so they'll be protected for the coal that moves in another couple of days. And then we'll finish out these last 2 ends, and these will be solid strawberries all from last year. And then we'll have to make a decision about this third side over here, but I'm fairly certain we will go with strawberries with this too.